summer rainstorms in Pakistan's most populous city did a better job of keeping most people indoors than the partial lockdown being lifted this week. The port city of Karachi has been the hardest hit by the coronavirus. The government says infection rates have dropped nationwide, and it's safe to resume public life. But not everyone agrees. Rizwan Abdul Sami is a teacher. When the COVID-19 outbreak closed schools, he began a free service to supply coronavirus patients with oxygen cylinders to help them breathe.
Ground reality is that corona exists at extreme level in Pakistan. Pakistani community, population of Pakistan, and people are not taking it seriously. Rather, they are not taking it as a reality.
He normally has dozens of tanks, but in the last week they've all been sent out. He's down to his last two. A sign, he says, that people are still getting sick, and it's too soon to lift the lockdown. But months into the crisis, even partial restrictions on public life seem impossible to enforce and easy to ignore. The government push to ease restrictions is politically popular, and people whose livelihoods have suffered say it's also necessary.
Measures taken because of the coronavirus have completely shut down business. I don't have the words to explain how much loss there has been. For poor people, it's been devastating.
It's a view many customers share.
The economy of our country is very important. You see, we are from a country where everything depends on the economy, and I agree that the coronavirus is also a threat. But if we take precautions along with coronavirus, I think the economy should open and we should allow our people to work.
During recent public holidays, precautions were not a priority. And now people are gearing up for another major public event, the country's Independence Day.
Markets like this are all over the country. Pakistan's government says for the sake of the economy, it's important to keep them open. But as far as health experts are concerned, crowded public areas where people are not wearing masks, where there is no social distancing, these are the perfect places for the virus to thrive.
Pakistanis are quick to say years of hard living has made them more resilient to the virus than most. But there is also the fact that there are too few tests and too many people. And with so many taking the threat lightly, medical experts say the real number of COVID-19 infections is likely much higher than official tallies. Zain Basravi, Al Jazeera, Karachi.